Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The Apple Watch Series 6 rumor will has officially gone into overdrive, and we seem to be getting a clearer picture of what's coming both on the Series 6 and WatchOS 7. After we reported on a bunch of Series 6 rumors from Everything Apple Pro back in April 2020, a new set of leaks seems to confirm much the same thing. The Apple Watch Series 6 appears to be serving up sleep tracking at long last, and improved battery life to handle the extra time on the wrist. We should also see more sensors, and it looks like Apple is determined to expand its potential to help more people with. Here are the latest Apple Watch rumors in full. May 2020 rumors. The latest leaks are from Nikias Molina, who claims inside information that Apple is working on sleep tracking, longer battery life, pulse oximeter, S6 chip, and mental health abnormalities detection. That tallies with the leak from April, which asserted that sleep tracking would finally get its time, and that Apple was looking at detecting panic attacks, although that feature might not land until the Series 7. And while Molina isn't a tipster with a track record, Apple expert Jon Prosser endorsed the information in his own tweet. April 2020 rumors. What makes this interesting is how corroborates previous rumors. Back in April we got a video from Everything Apple Pro, which predicted a range of features are incoming, both hardware and software. All of which fed into making the Series 6 an even better sports and wellness device, building on the new features debuted on the Series 5. The most eye-catching rumor is the addition of stress and panic attack alerts arriving on Apple Watch, which would join abnormal heart rate, AFib and fall detection, as a suite of preventative features. Read on for our in-depth look and analysis of the latest Series 6 rumors. Like, share, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.